If you find that your computer is running a little bit slow, there's a few things that you can try. Firstly, open Task Manager, hold down Control, Shift and Escape at the same time. Click on More Details and go to Startup. Now look for anything on here that's enabled, and within reason you can disable most of it. I wouldn't touch anything to do with the antivirus or your printer, but most other things are fair game. You can also download CCleaner. The free desktop version should be okay. And this will just help get rid of any temporary files that have built up over the months. Now I'd recommend unticking any optional add-ons. Now the version may vary over time. We'll just run it. Now if you find that you're using this and you're getting logged out of websites between visits, you can just untick the cookies for each one, and if you've got Chrome or Firefox installed, go to Applications and untick cookies there as well. Otherwise run CCleaner. There we go, and this will just dejunk the computer for you.